So, welcome, Rashid. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for joining. Where are you from, Rashid?
I'm from Kerala,
Okay.
from southern part of, I mean, you know, near to the Tamil Nadu.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. So, let me tell us something about yourself.
Yeah,
Like, what do you like?
sure. Uh, I'm working as an IT professional in a IT company based in Trivandrum.
Okay.
So earlier I was in Bangalore for nearly 10 years. I did my graduation, everything
Okay.
in Bangalore. And recently I moved to Kerala.
Okay. Okay.
So actually, along with my work, I was actively involved in politics, acting. These are my kind of hobbies.
Yeah. Yeah.
And suddenly I moved to the spiritual path because of my brother.
Mm-hmm.
He actually told me he's a doctor,
Okay.
so he has been practicing this Reiki since several years.
Okay.
So,
Great.
so he suggested me
Mm.
uh, regarding this Reiki practice. Then I joined Reiki with an online platform,
Okay. Okay.
with an online course. Sorry. So then somehow I couldn't continue because I lost interest in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Then, uh, you know, earlier there was a myth, whether this is something mantra, tantra, or something like that. I was a bit confused. Then I told him, no, I'm not going to do this.
Okay.
So then I was keep on researching through Google, and I was in active research what exactly Reiki is about. Then I went through many articles. Then I got to know about the Reiki. In US, I heard many universities are teaching, and
Mhm.
and many hospitals,
Yeah, they are practicing.
they're practicing Reiki. So then again, he asked me to do this course.
Mhm.
Then anyway, I'm currently I'm working from home due to this COVID situation.
Okay,
So
great.
then I got to know about you. So then I joined this Reiki practice.
Okay, great, great, great. So you have already answered the second question of mine. So actually, when did you start your Reiki journey with me? Like, when did you join our course?
Actually, I joined in the year 2019, that is last year,
Okay, okay,
in the
okay.
month of August.
In the month of August. Okay, great. Great, great, great. So, since you have moved into Reiki, so what changes have you observed in your nature and
Yeah,
people around you? Like, how they have changed?
I can't say in one word.
Okay.
If you allow me, it will be it's a very vast experience. Like, I have noticed changes in you know, every way. Like, you know, in terms of my health and professionally, mentally, and in terms of relationship, financial, many things.
Okay. Okay. Great, great. So, has Reiki helped you in uh, like uh, controlling your anger or anything that was in excessive in you that Reiki has helped you?
Yeah, of course, because since I'm involved in many activities, as I told you earlier,
Yeah, yeah.
like, I'm like a workaholic. Okay, I don't
Mm.
like to sit idle.
Mm.
So, whenever I'm free, I'll be actively involved in other activities. Sometimes in acting, sometimes in politics, like.
Okay,
So, you know, often I used to get disturbed
okay.
by many things, like, but still I'll be involved. But actually, this Ricky helped me, created a platform in such a way that it actually balanced
Mm-hmm.
my mind,
Options.
and I'm physically more stable. And even my colleagues or friends used to told me that you become so positive.
Great, great, great. That everyone around you is experiencing the magic of Reiki. That's really great. So, Rashid, we would like to know that how Reiki has helped you in physical aspect. Like, what physical changes have you observed in your health? Like, it's related to the health.
um Related to the health, I have you know I feel more positive nowadays.
Okay, okay.
uh, even if I come across any tense situation, I'll be able to, bring back to the normal. I
Okay,
come back to the normal very soon.
great.
And, and one more thing, what I've noticed is, earlier I was more allergic to dust. I used to get a fever, cold,
Mhm.
and uh,
So
so
your
now,
immune
yeah,
stronger.
my immunity is, improved a lot. Now
Yeah.
I'm even, I was, especially if I'm going outside, whenever I
Mm-hmm.
have food and all, sometimes, I can't have certain foods. So currently I have no other restrictions. I can eat
Okay,
anything.
that's
So that is the one thing I have, really
yeah,
noticed through this practice.
that's great. That's great. So, and what about like you already mentioned about the mental health that you had anxiety issues, yeah, or means you used to get tensed a lot. So now that is under control, right?
Yeah.
Great, great, great. And what about the finances? Like how Reiki has helped you in improving your finances or abundance?
So, in financial side, now I'm able to control my thoughts, and
Okay,
even the manifesting power also increased.
okay.
Okay. And earlier in the earlier days, I was not much controlled. My mind was not controlled, and in financial side, like I don't bother about the spending and all. Now
Mm-hmm.
I'm very much focused on
Hmm.
my spending part. It's like everything is under balance
Okay.
nowadays.
So,
So
yeah,
yeah.
sorry.
So these are the changes I've noticed, and
Mm-hmm.
also the manifesting power
Mm-hmm.
is increased.
Okay, great, great. So now you are able to manifest whatever standard of life you always wanted.
Yeah.
Great, great, great. And what about the relationships? How Reiki has helped you in improving your relationships or making your bond stronger with others?
Yeah. Actually, since I'm involved in many activities, I have a lot of friends.
Mm-hmm.
So earlier, uh, you know, I don't have the capability to understand certain character. I mean, character of a person.
Yeah.
Now I'm able to understand their nature
Okay.
very
Great.
clearly. So based on that, I used to maintain the relationship, and
Mm-hmm.
also now I'm able to understand, the negative sides of their
Mm-hmm.
character very well.
Yeah.
So again, the relationship again side again, it's balanced now.
Great, great. So basically, your intuition power is stronger now, and you can easily understand a person by looking at them or talking to them.
Yes.
Yeah,
Right.
that's great. Okay. So now the most important question, that how Reiki has helped you in growing spiritually. Like how you were before August 2019 and how you see yourself today. Like what's the change you have observed in terms of spiritual path?
Before 29 in August, I was like I don't have much belief. Okay,
Okay.
but I don't have I didn't trust
Mm.
this process. That is one
Okay.
thing.
Okay.
And but after 29, after August, what happened is, even my belief on spiritual process, it's increased a lot. I become earlier I used to go to the Krishna temple, but I was not much serious. Now
Mm.
actually it now I'm become a complete devotee of Krishna.
Okay, great.
So so
Mhm.
in terms of spiritual side, I'm very much focused
Okay.
along with other.
Okay, great, great. So Reiki has helped you a lot in developing spiritually as well. So like we see that Reiki has helped you in physical aspect also, in your relationships also, mental health also, and spiritual growth also. That's great. So now our next question is, like before joining Reiki, did you ever uh, thought that such a drastic change would come to your life?
never. Because as I told you, I have joined the Reiki uh, 2019 in the month of Feb, if I'm not wrong,
Okay.
with other online
Okay. Okay.
course. So then I dropped. Even I was not satisfied,
Mm-hmm.
as I told you, it's just because of my brother I joined. But
Mm-hmm.
even I never expected that this type of drastic changes will happen to my life, and
Okay.
not only in one area, across, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, physically. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm so happy for
That's great. That's great. So, Rashid, let's talk about healing others. Like right now, till now, we discussed about how Reiki has helped you. So, has it helped your family members as well? Did you try healing your family members?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
So recently I have completed my master's level.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, uh, so now I am able to attune others.
Okay,
So
great.
actually, my mom, is suffering from some neuro issues.
Okay, okay.
So she's having headache very frequently.
Mm-hmm.
So, so I started, applying the Reiki
Mm-hmm.
methods. So by God's grace and by grace of Reiki and by grace of my master, she's getting a great relief from her headache. And not only her, even I used to, give a Reiki healing to my dad. He's a
Okay,
heart patient,
okay, okay.
so he's also getting a great relief.
Mm.
Apart from that, I used to give a healing to my friend's mom. She's
Okay,
having neuro issues.
okay,
Even they
okay.
are very satisfied.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So, with Reiki, you are not only helping yourself but also others and healing others. That's great. That's great. Okay, so have you started Reiki professionally since you are already into master's level?
Currently, I'm in a practicing stage. Actually, I wanted to continue my learning. I
Okay.
wanted to continue from my great master. Actually, you're the reason for my happiness, I would proudly say. You shown,
Thank you.
the lightness into, my darker side. So I am literally waiting for my grandmasters to complete.
Okay,
But
okay.
yes, I will definitely go in. I mean, move into the professional
Okay,
field
that's great.
very soon.
That's great. That's great. See you soon on the other side.
Thank you.
Okay, so now, Rashid, I would like to know, like, what is the best thing that you have observed while you were going through the course, Reiki course with me?
You're very, very hardworking,
Okay,
you
thank you
know,
so much.
very approachable.
Thank you.
You have a great patience, and whenever we have any queries, we can directly, you never bother about the timings, and you know, you'll be always available. It's not like, even when I was into earlier tricky practice with other platform,
Okay.
so I didn't get a proper support. So
Okay.
I was literally upset. I don't know what to do the next.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we send any query, they never reply. So
Mm-hmm.
here I like, you know, I was so happy that because we are getting the proper response, that is what we required,
Yeah.
right? So, and moreover, you are very much approachable, and your style of teaching is awesome.
Thank you so much. Thank
And moreover, you're, most of the time I feel like you're a divine. So
you.
you have, the people, I mean, they should, and the teacher should have the teaching skills, right? Then only, everyone can teach, but, everyone can't, get these type of, they have to convince the students also, you know, those type of skills are more in your case. Actually,
Thank
you're
you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, Rashid, would you like to suggest me few points that you want me to improve as a teacher or as a guide or as a Reiki master?
I would continue, I would, I want you to continue doing the same,
Okay.
because currently we don't have anything negative on you, because whatever you're doing, it's really good.
Thank you.
It's really, you know, I don't know how to say, I can't express much, but yes, you're doing a great job.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Continue doing the same.
Thank you. So if you have any suggestions, then you can definitely give. So
Yeah, sure, sure. Definitely.
so one last thing, would you like to ask something from me if you have any question?
Uh, what is your, you know, uh, what's your goal about uh, Ricky?
What's my goal regarding Reiki?
Yeah.
So if we talk about Reiki right now, see, I am not a very future oriented person to look beyond 20 years or 30 years. I just stay in present and I focus in the present. So I believe only in the present. So right now, my full attention, my full focus is into teaching and to reach as many people as I can and to change as many lives as I can. Rest is divine's wish, Krishna's blessings. Let's see where we go. Thank you so much, Rashid. Thank you for your valuable time and thank you for your awesome answers. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for
Have
giving
a
me an
blessed
opportunity.
day. Thank